I want to give my family their dream home. Think of it another way. What will you feel if you actually did not give your family that dream home? Think to yourself, if hindi ka nakapag-invest for a down payment tapos hindi mo nabigay yung deserve nila na dream home, di ba? You promised your spouse, whether that's your husband, your wife, or you as a couple, you promised each other na you will build for this future for yourselves. Think to yourself, what if hindi nyo yun na-achieve? How will you feel? Hello mga Car-FF, ako muli si Enro Mendoza ng Rampver Financials. Maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik ng aming YouTube channel at ang aming mga videos. Ikaw ba ay isang young professional na kaka-enter lang ng workforce, may kita ka na at gusto mo mag-invest para sa iyong future? Or baka naman matagal ka nang may kita, medyo hindi mo lang tinitingnan ang finances mo at ngayon gusto mo nang ayusin, gusto mo nang mag-invest para makamit ang iyong mga goals. This video is for you. So, para sa video na ito, gusto ko itang turuan kung paano mag-invest ngayon sa 2024. Now, I will take this video into two parts, no? Sa first part kasi, gusto kong i-focus ang foundations, the right money habits, the right mindset, para when it comes to the second part, medyo alam mo na mas behavioral na ang personal finance. Alam na natin, na-set na natin yung tone, talagang gagawin natin ang kailangan nating gawin. Okay ba yun? So foundation number 1 is the right money mindset. Ito, laging sinasabi ng dad ko, si Boss Rex Mendoza, that money is more behavioral, not technical. At ako nga, gusto ko tong i-translate, no? That money is 90% attitude, 10% knowledge. So it's really what we do about what we know, not actually what we know. 'Di ba? Kasi if napanood mo itong video na to from start to end, pero wala ka namang ginawa, then yun yung 10%, 'di ba? Hindi mo inactionan yung dapat mong gawin. Hindi ka dito sa 90% behavior or 90% attitude. So magandang isipin na we actually have the responsibility of our finances. We have the accountability for our financial future. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na ang may kasalanan nito ay ang gobyerno, ang sistema, ang trabaho ko. You are here because you have the opportunity to have a better future. You have the capacity, you have everything within you to achieve what you want in life, diba? So napaka-empowering ng mindset na yon, na it's really up to you. You are the result of your own choices. And that's the right money mindset, na I have what it takes to build a financial future that I deserve. So building up from that first foundation, no, ay ang foundation number 2, which is the abundance formula. Ito, learning ho to, wisdom to ni Brother Bo Sanchez, who is very close to Rampver Financials. Ang sabi niya in his book, The Abundance Formula, is from your income, which is let's say 100%, dapat inuuna natin ay ang tithing, which is giving back to our Creator. Dahil siya ang nagbigay sa atin ng ating mga gifts, ating opportunities, ating resources in life, then we need to always give back to Him. And we do this by giving to charity, giving to church, giving those to people in need, so that it always gives back to God. And I believe, no, na if we pour from ourselves and we pour from our cup, God will always keep pouring our cup so that we can always prosper others. So again, no, from 100% na income minus 10%, which is tithing, after nun, the 20% will be for savings and investments. So from your income, no, uunahin natin talaga ang giving back and savings and investments. So ano ang total nun? 100% minus 10% minus 20% is 70%. And ang 70% na yun ay gagamitin natin for our expenses, our needs. So whether this is our bills, our household, what we need to spend on to live, So these are our needs and our wants. Importante dito, no, kasi the usual ay pagkita natin ng ating income, ginagastos na natin agad to our expenses, our bills, our mga wants, no, mga luho natin. Tapos minsan wala nang natitira. And it's because yun nga, hindi natin inuna ang ating giving back and ating savings and investments. Sabi nga nila, no, kahit lumalaki yung kita natin, kahit napopromote tayo sa ating trabaho, ay parang lumalaki rin ho ang ating lifestyle. Ang tawag ho dito ay lifestyle inflation. So we want to avoid this ho by flipping the formula. Uunahin talaga natin ang ating tithes at savings and investments. And kung kayo ay na-promote, nagka-additional income stream, additional kita, no, from whether that's gifts or miscellaneous things, lalaki rin ang ating savings and investments. Kung ano ang matira, pagkakahasyahin natin. We live below our means at masanay tayo dito. We build the right habits and the foundations so that as we increase our income, we will increase our financial future. 'Di ba? Kasi kung bumalik tayo sa old formula, nauna ang ating expenses, nauna yung ating mga travel, bili ng bagong bag, bili ng bagong sapatos, down payment sa bagong kotse na hindi naman natin kailangan, then walang natitira para sa future natin. Maganda that we set aside for our future first, but at the same time, we like to enjoy rin naman the present. Ang importante lang, conscious tayo, intentional lang ating spending, and we don't overspend, and we're not robbing our financial future from our future self. Maganda rin ho, sa future natin, we enjoy rin our hard-earned money. And what I like to say nga rin ho is, pay yourself first. What I mean about this is, instead of paying the Apple for that new iPhone, paying the BMW for that new car, you pay yourself, you pay Enro Mendoza, you pay whoever your name is, di ba? For their future. Binabayad ko sa future self ko kasi alam ko na I will reap the benefits of my past choices. Kung ininvest ko to, kung sinave ko to, may enjoy ko in the future kung na-achieve ko na ang aking financial goal at kung deserve ko na ang itong proceeds na to, diba? Let's say, I will already spend for a wedding or I will already put my down payment for a dream home. Or pinaka long term, I already want to enjoy my retirement. Diba? Mas fulfilling ito kung alam natin that responsible na tayo when it comes to our financial choices. Foundation number 3 is of course building the right foundations ng ating financial hierarchy of needs. If you're watching this and yun nga, a young professional or you're in sales, you have a salary or you have commissions, then you have the right foundations, which is our income. And I'll show a diagram here, no? After naman kasi ang income, ang ating security and protection, maganda na meron tayong emergency funds so that if ever there's an untoward event, may emergency or may aksidente, you are protected, whether that's through emergency funds or the right insurances and protection. Maganda rin ho, no, na before we actually invest, talagang we have this in place. Kasi ho, imagine if nag-i-invest na kayo pero may malaking gastos pala kasi may medical emergency. Then, baka you will be forced to sell at a wrong time or pag nag-redeem kayo, it will move you farther from your goal. Kasi if it's a long-term investment tapos ni-redeem nyo na siya, then it's not according to your strategy. Maganda is we build the right foundations so that we don't need to sell our investments at the wrong time. Lalo na if, let's say, real estate investment ito, which is our real property. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung one of those assets na medyo mahirap ibenta. Not that it didn't appreciate, but more of you need to find the right buyer. It's not as liquid, diba? Versus having the right foundations first para when you have an investment strategy, you can actually stick to that investment strategy. Having the right emergency funds first, ang tip namin here is depending on your work, no? Let's say if you're single pa, wala kang dependent, baka okay na yung 3 to 6 months of your income. But of course, if may dependents ka na, and let's say, knock on wood, mawalan ka ng trabaho, dapat at least 6 months to 12 months, a year, no? dapat medyo may safety net ka so that your family can live kahit na wala kang trabaho, and it will give you enough buffer, enough transition period so that you can find new work and find new income streams. And that's very important ho, that we have the right foundations before we actually start investing. Kaya nga ho ito pyramid, kasi imagine if baliktad yung pyramid, edi matutumba ito. And we don't want ourselves, no? Ayaw natin na matumba in our financial decisions. Maganda na right foundations so that we can move up and elevate our financial security towards financial freedom, like in our diagram over here. And I'd like to share this last foundation, no? And this is really trusting the process. And I like to share the power of compounding. They say nga, no, na si Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors in this generation. Alam nyo ba, 99% of his wealth actually came after the age of 50 or the age of 60. And this is really the power of compounding, kasi may long-term perspective tayo na even if the market goes up, the market goes down, we're really trusting the process, kasi if we have a long runway, lalo na if bata pa lang kayo or young professional pa lang kayo, kaka-enter nyo pa lang ng workforce, that means you have a long runway to go, and time will really be your ally in this volatile market. Even if there are ups and downs, in the end, at the grander scheme of things, talagang tataas rin naman yung market, lalo na if we invest in the right investment instruments and the right companies. It's just showing you that if you have the patience, the right discipline, the right money habits, then you can actually achieve your goals. Kailangan lang talaga may long-term perspective tayo, may trust tayo sa proseso natin, and we stick to our investment strategies. So yun ang aking foundations, no? Yun ay ang part 1, so that once we have these right money mindsets, right money habits, then we can actually start working towards investing in our future. Create a Rampver online account today. Ang dami naming new features in the roadmap, whether that's new products, even new features, and possibly even a mobile app within the year. So very, very exciting to be launching that. I hope this video is valuable. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't yet. Hit that notification bell as well so that you're updated on our latest videos. Share this video to a friend or family member. Baka naman makatulong, and this will push our videos to more people. Again, my name is Enro Mendoza from Rampver Financials, empowering you for financial success. Cheers mga ka-RFF!